Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can download and install Fantasy Premier League on your PC or laptop. So if you want to use it, you can use the website version as well, but you cannot directly install the application from the website. So what you need to do is you need to install a emulator on your device like BlueStacks App Player. You can search for BlueStacks, go to its official website, and then download it from here. Besides BlueStacks, you can also download other different emulator on your device as well. And after you've it installed, go ahead and log into the Google Play Store. Go ahead and search for Fantasy Premier League, the official app on your device, and then install it from the Google Play Store. Make sure that it's compatible with your BlueStacks version. So that's why you need to install the latest version of BlueStacks on your computer. And you also need to make sure that it's available in your region. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.